Okay, I just got a portal that I have to jump into, complete a security questionnaire, pretty stock standard. I help out all our team at AutoRFP, completing security questionnaires and so on. It's kind of like the same old questions. Luckily, I got our tool. I'm going to show you how to use an agent to automatically answer and extract all the different kind of security questionnaires from this portal. So in my example, I'm using UpGuard. There's heaps of different portals out there. Good thing about this agent, it actually works in any portal. It uses AI computer vision to automatically scan the page and then to pull in all the information. So you can see it now working across this portal. It's looking at the page and it's using effectively an agentic workflow to figure out the HTML and page structure of the page. And that's how it can work in any single portal. Then it looks and tries to understand and learn the page structure. And then once it has the page structure, you'll see it interacting with the page. It's effectively taken over my browser. And that's one of the cool things about kind of browser agents. And that's what this is. This is AutoRFP's portal agent that works via a Chrome extension in your web browser. You've got other agents out there, Claude's Chrome extension, ChatGPT's Chrome extension, and so on, or the ChatGPT browser. Where I find they really fall down for security questionnaires, and I have tried them, is they're very slow. They actually just try to kind of move around with their mouse very slowly, constantly taking screenshots, and it just doesn't actually do the thing. Whereas this portal agent is purposely built for web portals that have questionnaires in them. So that could be like SAP Ariba, vendor portal. That could be like SAP Ariba, Unimarket, UpGuard, RiskLedger, any web portal that has that. It could be DDQ portals like Diligence Vault, and so on. And effectively, it's built for that. And still using its AI computer vision, it then scrapes the portal automatically and pulls in all the information. Let's see. So it actually completed that very quickly while I was talking. It's grabbed the questionnaires, understood the page structure, and then gone through. And for this one, there was 141 requirements. You can see them all here. And it's pulled all that information in. And that's the first step. Let's automatically grab all of the different requirements that's in my portal. But then I want to go further. I want to use AI to start automatically answering my security questionnaires. So looking at my imported questions, I can see they work. Then I can view that in my project. So here is AutoRFP.ai. AutoRFP is used across the globe in 44 plus different countries by hundreds and hundreds of businesses, everyone from SaaS unicorns in Silicon Valleys to startups to India's largest law firm. Use us for security questionnaires and automating that tedious response. And here are my requirements. AI has actually automatically answered all of the requirements here while I was talking and pulled all that information in. You can see it couldn't find answers for some of them. It's provided our AI trust score. Why you need a trust score when you're looking at AI content, especially something just as important as security questionnaires, is you need to know is, can I trust this response? Looking at this, is scope stored? I can jump in here and I can understand specifically what information is being used, like past responses, and which it used to answer that requirement. I can look further. I can add attachments, which is really common here. So I can add our data processing agreement, and then that will be included in the export. And then I can just look through in response. I can easily select a bunch of responses. So if I want to go to everything in the section for application security, take those two requirements, they haven't been filled out yet, assign them to the solutions team, and they are going to be the editor, and I'll keep myself as the approver in the security team. And then I can easily wait for them to answer those questions. They'll get like a Slack or Microsoft Teams notification to answer that, and then they'll come back in and fill it out. Then I have my project overview, so I can see everyone who's involved in the response for the security portal, what they have left to submit, and what attachments and what the AI draft rate and everything else was. And then once I complete, I can just kind of jump back into the portal, look at the answers, easily grab this answer and just chuck it back in there and easily answer as needed with my examples and so on. That was a really short overview of AutoRFP and the portal agent and how you can use agents to automatically respond to your security questionnaires that you get. The really great thing about AutoRFP is it is a purpose-built RFP software. We're not a GRC platform. We're not trying to do 100 different things. It's built for things like security questionnaires, RFPs. That way, it's not just using policies to answer questions and your certifications. It's actually looking at past responses. It continually learns from your work as you use it. It has the full collaboration suite, and it has a really robust importer. Look at my next video and you can see how I import a SIG questionnaire automatically in a matter of seconds with AutoRFP that I've received from a prospect. And then the AI automatically detects requirements and every answer block and response cell that I need to respond to, and automatically starts generating those responses. If you're keen to learn more about AutoRFP and how we can help you automate security questionnaires via the portal agents, then what you want to do is jump to our website, AutoRFP.ai, jump to book a demo, and you'll be able to grab a time with our team where they can help tailor the solution to your specific use cases. So jump online, book a demo if you're keen to understand how the portal agent can be used to automate your security questionnaires. Thanks.